Say goodbye to your traditional oil change. Gone are the days of labor-intensive, time-consuming oil changes. Planned maintenance has evolved. This is how state-of-the-art planned maintenance is done. Safe, clean, and efficient. QuickFIT is the highly efficient oil change system for power generation equipment that enables a technician to readily purge oil from the filters, evacuate the used oil, and refill the gen set with filtered oil. QuickFIT increases technician and environmental safety, significantly reducing spills and 80 to 90% of technician movements. To use QuickFIT, the technician simply attaches the tool to a compressed air supply to purge oil from the filter. Then the used oil hose is connected and the old oil is evacuated cleanly and safely. It's leak-free. There are no pads and no mess, reducing the risk of spillage and contamination. Since the oil filter is nearly empty from the first step, it can be removed without risk of spills or burns for improved technician safety. And a new filter can be installed empty. In addition, gathering an oil sample with QuickFIT is a breeze. Simple, quick, and clean. When the engine is empty, the waste hose is removed and the clean oil refill hose is connected. Once refilled, the engine is dipstick ready. There's no need to restart just to verify the oil level. The gen set is now fully pre-lubricated, eliminating dry starts and extending engine life. QuickFIT is a higher quality, more efficient, safer, and cleaner way to change oil. QuickFIT, making oil changes simple and more productive. Cummins and QuickFIT, the oil change of tomorrow today.